Yo, what's up? I am Kosi. I don't know if I should like introduce myself, but hey, Kosi, sis and bro, I'm the bro. Yeah, we have a piece dress over here with Diamante. This is like a very classical and very beautiful dress that you could use for red carpets.
Yeah, this is basically a dress from Spiro in Hyde Park. It's a see-through dress, as you can see, with sequins, black and gold. It's very nice. What you can do is obviously see through. You're gonna see flash. So what you can do is you can wear it with the little Spiro has it with like little short bum shorts. So you can do it with that. You can do it with a crop top. However you want to wear it with, yeah. But it's basically a see-through top or sequins. Lots of detail you can see, and then the tassels.
The shoes, I don't know if you guys need any explaining on the shoes. They just have like beautiful shoes from Europa art. And yeah, so you can just take a sneak peek on that.